Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Kushatum Sugli Bore no. So friends, today I'm gonna sing some carol songs, okay, on my guitar. So here we go. Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, próspero año y felicidad. Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, próspero año y felicidad. Wish you Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Kushal Nadala, Kushal Nadala, Kushal Nadala, próspero año, felicidad. Kushal Nadala, Kushal Nadala, Kushal Nadala, próspero año, felicidad. Let's sing the next song. Long time ago in Bethlehem, so the Holy Bible said, Mary's boy child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day. Angels sing, a king was born today, and man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. Hark now, hear the angels sing, a king was born today, and man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. Let's guys sing the third one and the last one. Joy to the world, the Lord has come. Let us receive the King. Prepare the heart, prepare the room, for heaven and eternity. And ever and ever. So friends, wishing you everyone Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Okay, and bye bye.